Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. We often find the need to add borders to images or layers that we work with. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a couple of quick ways to add borders to an image. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I've got an image here. Basically, this is the thumbnail for this video. So the quickest way of adding border to an image is that go into filters menu here, and from there decor, and from there add border. If you don't see anything here, just go to script and FU. Sometimes it works like that in Gimp, so that's how it is. So here you can adjust the border size according to your preference, X and Y, on this side and on the other side as well. And then you can choose the color according to preference, and you also can adjust the delta value on color. I'm just going with the default setting for now, but you can adjust and see the result according to your preference. And then hit OK. As you can see, the border has been created. Right, I'm just going to uncheck the show guide so that we can see it clearly. Alright, so here it is. So basically when you use this filter, it creates another layer, and that's how we get a border here. Now let me show you something else as well. Go to the filters menu here again, and then decor, and then if you want to have a fuzzy border, you can also do that. You can choose a color, whatever you like. Similarly, you can adjust all these settings here, and there you are. So this is another thing that you can work on. Basically, it creates another image. So as you can see, now we have another image here. All right. So this is another thing that you can look at. It's basically another design. However, there's another way you can add border to an image. You select the whole image. So to do that, you go to the bottom layer here, since we have 3 layers, but if you have single image, that's okay. And then you go to select and then all, and then you go to edit menu here. From there, stroke selection. So here you can adjust the line width, and then hit OK when you are satisfied. As you can see, you got black color here. So how you change the color if you need to, you have to change the foreground color here, and that's how we change it to red. And now if we go to the stroke selection again, as you can see, it shows the color here, and then hit OK. So this is another way of adding border to an image. So friends, I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.